most people report not liking the sound of their voice recording. So what does that mean? And I believe that we have to start with understanding that we have more than one voice. You have a different voice for every person you talk to. If I take a little snippet of your voice and I analyze it, I can know whether you're talking to your mother, to your brother, your friend, or your boss. So all of that is the voice other people hear when you talk. So why is it that we're so unfamiliar with it? Why is it that it's not the voice that we hear? So to perceive this voice, it first has to travel to your ears. And your outward voice travels through the air, while your inward voice travels through your bones. This is called bone conduction. And because of this, your inward voice is going to sound in a lower register and also more musically, harmonically than your outward voice. Once it travels there, it has to access your inner ear. And there's a second mechanism taking place here. It's a mechanical filter. It's a little partition that comes and protects your inner ear each time you produce a sound. So that also reduces what you hear. And then there is a third filter. It's a biological filter. Your cochlea, the part of your inner ear that processes the sound, is made out of living cells. And those living cells are going to trigger differently according to how often they hear the sound. It's an habituation effect. So because of this, as your voice is the sound you hear the most in your life, you actually hear it less than other sounds. Your voice is a very complex phenomenon. It requires a synchronization of more than 100 muscles in your body. And by listening to the voice, we can understand possible failures of what happens inside. For example, listening to very specific type of turbulences and non-linearity of the voice can help predict very early stages of Parkinson, just through a phone call. Listening to the breathiness of the voice can help detect heart disease. And we also know that the changes of tempo inside individual words is a very good marker of depression. So I hope I've left you with a better appreciation, a new appreciation of all of your voices and the roles it plays inside and outside of you. As for your voice is a very critical determinant of what makes you humans and of how you interact with the world.